Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter, and today we're going to be talking about Amazon and its reviews. You need to look at the 1-star and 2-star reviews of every product you look at. You cannot look at 5-star reviews. 98% of the time they are 100% fake. What? 98% of the time they are 100% fake.
Alrighty then.
I'm dead serious. If you see like all 5-star review and you have, if it's 5-star and then you have 1-star, then those 5 stars are fake and the 1-star is real. And there's nothing in between. So that doesn't make any sense. That's like 1-star is real product reviews and 5-star is a fake review. And there's very, very little in the middle. That clearly states that, you know, this can't be that much of a skew. What are you talking about? These 1-star people have no idea what to do, and these 5-star people think it's a, you know, it's gold. 3-star and 4-star is what you should be focusing on. And then to see if anybody had any trouble with the product, look at 1-star and 2-star. So 5-star is off the board unless you really need to look at it, just for shits and giggles. And then 1 to 4. And the 4-star reviews should make your decision. If you have more 5-star reviews, you'll get on the Amazon choice, and when you're searching for the product, they'll be listed first. And that is what everyone is trying to do, trying to make as much money as they can with the most 5-star reviews to get Amazon choice. That is it. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.